as the snowflakes danced from the heavens, blanketing North America in a mesmerizing winter wonderland. The year 2022 bore witness to a series of snowstorms that left an indelible mark on the continent. From the frosty peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the bustling urban landscapes of the East Coast, Mother Nature unleashed her icy fury, challenging the resilience of communities and transforming familiar landscapes into ethereal realms of white enchantment. In the winter of 2022, North America found itself under the spell of a relentless and awe-inspiring force, Mother Nature. The continent experienced an extraordinary series of snowstorms that captivated the imaginations of millions, transforming familiar landscapes into frozen wonderlands. From the unexpected chaos to the breathtaking beauty, the 2022 North America snowstorms were a testament to the raw power and unpredictable nature of winter weather. Before the first snowflake descended, meteorologists and weather enthusiasts were on high alert. Unusual atmospheric patterns and temperature fluctuations set the stage for what would become a winter to remember. The anticipation was palpable as experts delved into the complexities of the polar vortex, jet streams, and oceanic influences that would contribute to the impending storms. The mysteries of meteorology added an element of suspense, leaving everyone to wonder how this winter would unfold. As the storms swept through the Rockies, the majestic mountain range became a playground for winter enthusiasts. Ski resorts experienced record-breaking snowfall, turning the slopes into a pristine canvas of powdery perfection. The contrast of the dark evergreens against the shimmering white landscape created postcard-worthy scenes, attracting skiers and snowboarders from far and wide. The snowstorms, in this context, became not just a challenge, but a gift, breathing life into the winter sports industry and fostering a sense of camaraderie among those who embrace the cold.
A lot of snow. It's still coming. Cars are like going.
2022 snowstorms transformed its usually serene landscapes into winter battlegrounds. States like Iowa, Nebraska, and Illinois, known for their vast flat expanses, became the epicenter of intense snowfall and bone-chilling temperatures. For communities accustomed to navigating the nuances of winter, these storms posed an unprecedented test, pushing their resilience to the limits. As snowdrifts mounted, roads succumbed to impassable barriers, disrupting daily life and isolating neighborhoods. Schools, a cornerstone of these communities, shuttered their doors in the face of the relentless weather, forcing families to adapt to unexpected disruptions. Undeterred, Midwesterners bundled up against the biting cold, their determination a testament to the tenacity ingrained in the region's spirit.
Go. 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 Do it, Lane. Oh, shoot.
Yet, amid the hardships, a remarkable narrative unfolded. The snowstorms became a catalyst for unity as Midwesterners rallied together. In a display of collective strength, communities organized snowplow brigades, neighbors assisted one another in clearing driveways, and impromptu gatherings around roaring bonfires served as a reminder that, even in the face of adversity, the heartland's resilience would prevail. As the storms progressed eastward, major cities along the East Coast underwent a stunning metamorphosis. From the historic streets of Boston to the bustling avenues of New York City, the urban landscape became a winter wonderland. Skyscrapers adorned with icicles sparkled in the sunlight, and the soft glow of streetlights reflected off snow-covered sidewalks. However, this picturesque scene came at a cost. Transportation systems faced disruptions. Businesses closed their doors temporarily, and the daily routines of millions were disrupted. The delicate balance between the enchanting beauty and the pragmatic challenges of city life in winter became apparent.
For reference, this fence is 5.5 feet tall. Here's the puppies.
During the chaos and beauty of the snowstorms, tales of resilience and neighborly acts emerged. Small towns and urban neighborhoods alike witnessed communities coming together to support one another. Snowplow brigades formed, volunteers shoveled sidewalks for the elderly, and impromptu sledding hills became gathering places for families. The challenges posed by the snowstorms were met with a spirit of unity, turning adversity into an opportunity for connection and shared experiences. The 2022 North America snowstorms, though visually enchanting, cast a shadow on the delicate equilibrium of the environment. Ecosystems faced disruption, and wildlife encountered unforeseen challenges for survival amidst the abrupt onslaught of winter weather. The repercussions of melting and refreezing snow extended to issues like ice dams and flooding, amplifying the environmental toll. This climatic episode served as a stark reminder of the intricate interplay within climate systems and the vulnerability of ecosystems often overlooked. The snowstorms prompted reflection on the urgent need for sustainable practices and heightened awareness, emphasizing our responsibility to protect the fragile balance of the natural world we too often take for granted. As the snowstorms gradually subsided, leaving behind a legacy of stories, challenges, and breathtaking vistas, the experience prompted reflection on the broader context of climate change. Scientists and policymakers began examining the 2022 snowstorms as part of a larger pattern of extreme weather events linked to a changing climate. The need for proactive measures, resilient infrastructure, and sustainable practices became even more apparent in the face of a future where unpredictable weather events may become the new norm. Amidst the challenges posed by the 2022 North America snowstorms, technological advancements in snow management emerged as unsung heroes. Snowplows equipped with GPS navigation systems and real-time weather monitoring became instrumental in efficiently clearing roadways, minimizing disruptions to essential services. Drones equipped with thermal imaging helped locate stranded motorists, ensuring timely rescue operations. Additionally, mobile apps provided residents with up-to-the-minute weather updates and facilitated community-driven efforts to tackle snow accumulation. These technological triumphs showcase the adaptability of communities in leveraging innovation to navigate the complexities of extreme weather, underscoring the role of technology as a valuable ally in the face of nature's unpredictability. The 2022 North America snowstorms were a captivating chapter in the continent's meteorological history. From the peaks of the Rockies to the urban jungles of the East Coast, Mother Nature showcased her power, leaving behind both beauty and challenges. I am eager to read your comments below and learn about your thoughts on these events. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel.